Hi everyone. As you all are aware that the .NET 6 has been released recently, and with the update, we would want to know what does it mean in terms of improvements and new features from the perspective of gRPC services. So today, I've got just that for you. A short intro to what .NET 6 brings in terms of improvements for gRPC. gRPC, as we all know, is a modern cross-platform high-performance RPC framework. gRPC for .NET is built on top of ASP.NET Core and is a recommended way to build RPC services using .NET. .NET 6 further improves gRPC's already great performance and adds a new range of features that make gRPC better than ever in modern cloud-native apps. .NET 6 brings client-side load balancing for gRPC. What does it mean? Client-side load balancing is a feature that allows gRPC clients to distribute load optimally across available servers. Client-side load balancing can eliminate the need to have proxy for load balancing. This has several benefits, such as improved performance, which means no proxy means eliminating an additional network hop and reduced latency because RPCs are sent directly to the gRPC server. This results in an improved performance. Second benefit, efficient use of server resources. A load balancing proxy must parse and then resend every HTTP request sent through it. Removing the proxy saves CPU and memory resources. Another benefit is the simpler application architecture. Proxy servers must be set up and configured correctly. No proxy server means fewer moving parts, and thus it all results in a simpler application architecture. So if we take a look at the code snippet here, at the point where we try to create a channel, here we get an option of creating a new instance of gRPC channel options. And inside the channel options, we have a property service config. And inside the service config, we are able to provide the load balancing configs, which in this particular case, we are providing a round robin config, which means that the requests will be going to each server in a round robin fashion. And this is how the load balancing will happen. .NET 6 also brings transient fault handling with retries. gRPC calls can be interrupted by transient faults. Transient faults include momentary loss of network connectivity, temporary unavailability of a service, timeouts due to server loads. When a gRPC call is interrupted, the client throws an RPC exception with details about the error. The client app must catch the exception and choose how to handle the error. So if we see in this particular case, the greeter client, whenever it's trying to call the RPC, which is say hello async, in case the gRPC call is interrupted, it will throw an RPC exception, which will be caught. And in this particular case, all the details about the error can be captured from this block of code. And the client app must catch the exception and choose how to handle the error. So the client can always choose how to handle this particular exception. Another improvement which .NET 6 brings in terms of gRPC is the protobuf performance improvement. gRPC for .NET, as we all know, uses Google Protobuf package as the default serializer for messages. Protobuf is an efficient binary serialization format, and Google Protobuf is designed for performance, using code generation instead of reflection to serialize .NET objects. In .NET 5, the developers had worked with Protobuf team to add support for modern memory APIs such as span, read-only sequence, and iBuffer writer to serializer. The improvements in .NET 6 optimize an already faster serializer. It adds vectorized string serialization and thus allows multiple characters to be processed in parallel, dramatically increasing the performance when serializing certain string values. Coming to the next improvement in terms of gRPC is the HTTP 3 support. gRPC on .NET now supports HTTP 3. gRPC builds on top of HTTP 3 support added to ASP.NET Core and HTTP client in .NET 6. .NET is the first gRPC implementation to support end-to-end HTTP 3, and Microsoft have submitted a GRFC for other platforms to support HTTP 3 in the future. Now, to conclude, performance is a feature of .NET and gRPC, and .NET 6 is faster than ever. New performance-oriented features like client-side load balancing and HTTP 3 mean lower latency, higher throughput, and fewer servers. It is an opportunity to save money and reduce power use and build greener cloud-native apps. Thank you.